Hey, welcome back everybody. I hope you guys had an awesome weekend. Today is Monday, May 11th, and I've got your random question for you. And this question is a first. I've never asked it to any other class. So here it is. What is one thing that you think everybody looks stupid doing? Now, there's a lot of things that just maybe out of context look stupid, or just, things that you do that when you're watching someone do it, it just looks goofy. I've got a few that I think look silly. I'll tell you one actually. I just thought of this on the spot. Is whenever my wife is doing her makeup, she makes the goofiest, weirdest faces. And I don't know if you guys have seen that, but you ladies, maybe you know what I'm talking about. And I think it looks really funny. I kind of tease her when she does it just because it's a joke. But anyway, the other one that I thought of is this: that whenever somebody walks through a spider web, they always look like a freak. And I mean, I get it. You don't want a spider on you, but you can't see the spider web, and so it just looks like they completely freak out, and I don't know, it's always makes me laugh. So let me know what you think, because this is the first question for me, and I'm excited to see how you guys answer it. Okay, so today is when we're finishing and turning in Acts chapter 4, which is our final chapter. You guys have made it. This is the end of the line, and hopefully that you guys are feeling good. Honestly, pretty much all of your grades are amazing. I think you guys have done super well. Compared to my last semester, you guys have just dominated. You've blown them out of the water. You guys have done so well. So you should be proud. You guys have worked hard, and man, yeah, I'm happy. I'm happy for you guys. Okay, so for today then, let me review the calendar one final time. So we're turning in Acts chapter 4 today. And then for those of you that are not getting college credit, the last day to turn in work for this class is the 19th. It's almost a week away. Okay, and I'll kind of review what the rest of the semester looks like after today. By the way, we'll get to that. For UVU students, those of you that are in concurrent enrollment, the last day to get things turned in is the 22nd, so Friday. I'm sure none of you want to turn things in after that day because that's summertime. But anyway, Friday will be the last day. One thing I'll mention too, this was brought up, is what will your grade look like? Since I know at the school they have like a different grading rubric now with all of this at-home learning. So your grade for the high school is going to look different than your grade for UVU. I can't remember off the top of my head what it looks like, but you guys have probably seen it where an A is like 80 something and above, and then a B is from I don't know, it's something like, I swear it's like in the 40s, maybe, I can't remember. But your grade for the high school is going to look very different, and your grade for the for UVU is going to be the same grade that you see on SIS. So I hope that makes sense. What your grade is on SIS is what's going to get reported to UVU. That's what that means. Email me if that didn't make sense. So I apologize if that was confusing. Okay, today then, what we're doing is finishing the final assignment, Acts chapter 4 simulation exam. We want to get that done today. So hopefully you've made some progress last class and can finish it up today. And then you can exhale a sigh of relief and know that you don't have to do any new assignments. Now, what happens for the rest of this week and next week? The answer is the time is yours. I mean, starting tomorrow for this class, you get to pick. If your grade is where it's at and you're happy, you're set, you don't want to change anything, you have one less class to worry about. If you want to make changes, if you want to turn in any missing assignments, now is the time to do it. If you want to redo any low scores, if you got a score that you're not happy with and you want to change it, from between now and the 22nd is when you want to get that done, or the 19th if you're not in the college class. And then make sure between now and the end of the semester you email me. Email me when you turn in any missing work. Otherwise it won't get graded. Email me if you want to get any more attempts on an assignment. I'm willing to do that for you guys. Since you guys have worked so hard, normally I'm pretty strict on that. I was pretty strict with my last semester, but I think you guys have done amazingly well, and so I'm here to help out. If you want extra attempts on an assignment, let me know. Shoot me an email and I'll take care of it for you. Keep in mind that I will be the most responsive to emails between 11 and 12. I watch my email pretty closely during that time. So I'll leave it at that. Email me again as you have questions, and have an awesome, awesome day.